Hi guys, I am out here with the corn, and as you can see, there has been some varmint activity. I usually blame everything on the groundhogs, but this could possibly be the work of a raccoon. They come in here, they take what they want. I peeled this part back to see if it was milky and sweet. I tasted a little bit of that. They got the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and try and get everything that I possibly can get. And if you see some of the corn stalks back here, this is probably about the third time that they have helped themselves in the middle of the night. And if I don't get this now, I'm probably not going to get any of it. So it tastes sweet. It's milky. There's a few of them that I might leave, like this one here is nowhere near where it needs to be, thickness wise. Plus these silks aren't really brown yet. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to salvage. This is really just a salvage job today. The amount of corn that I can get here, and then I will probably go ahead and rip it out because corn really doesn't have a lot of roots. If you can see down there, they're just called feet. I got a lot of weeds in here. If it's not going to disturb anything else, I'm just going to pull it out. That way maybe some more sun can get to these melons, and definitely some more air can circulate. Maybe where I have got these bags and buckets of potatoes pushed up against these tomatoes, I can scoot those back and give some more airflow through here. So that is what I'm working on here today. And this again is the American Dream corn, and I will let you know how that tastes later. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Love you. Please subscribe.